It might be quite scary to think of, but by the time these children that are just about to start kindergarten are in university, the world will have changed. And maybe many of the jobs that they are going to end up doing haven't even been created yet. In terms of education, we need to be building creatively minded students that are able to solve problems, that are able to communicate well, that are able to engage with others and enjoy lifelong learning. So to prepare for these exciting opportunities, choose a school where that creativity, where that collaboration, and where those important communication skills are built into their everyday learning.